Welcome to this new video. This video is regarding a DAX function first non-blank. So first non-blank, what it does is it scans the value in a column and returns the first non-blank value based on the filter context applied. So based on this first non-blank, we are having a problem statement, and the problem statement is that we need to get the first date with respect to the sales amount. So the calendar table, when you consider, you will be having calendar table from whichever year, whichever minimum year from January 1st onwards till the maximum year December 31st. If you select the first date in the calendar, it will be definitely 1/1 and whichever year it is. But if you want to get the first date of the sales occurred, first date in which the sales occurred, you can use this first non-blank. So it scans the values in the column and returns the first non-blank back based on the filter context applied. If all the values are blank or there is no values in the column, the function returns a blank. If there is no values here, then the function returns a blank. So this is the example which I have shown. The first date in the calendar is 1/1/2022, but the first date of the sales is 27/2/2022. So if you want to get this exact date, you can use this function first non-blank function. So it is having two parameters. One is the first non-blank. The first function will return the earliest date according to this, which we have seen, the sales date, where the sales amount is non-blank. The sales amount should be non-blank. So if it is non-blank, then the first date, whichever is non-blank, will be returned. The second argument is the sales amount, and it ensures that only rows with sales are considered. So obviously, the second arguments should have rows that is having some values in it. So we will go and see the function here. So here I have placed two tables. One is the exact calendar date. The second one is the calendar date along with the total sales. So here you can see, okay, the first value is 27 February 2022. You can sort by date and you can sort it by in an ascending. So when you sort it in the ascending way, okay, the first date is 27 February 2022. So you need to get this exact date. In order to get this exact date, if you are giving the basic function that is min calendar date, you will be getting this date. So we will try that. You can write a function. We will write it as first calendar date. We will write it as min calendar date. And we will track it to this. And of course, we need to change the formatting. If you change it like this, if you write the function like this, you will be getting the first 01 January 2022. We are not getting the exact date. We are not getting the first date where the sales occurred. So for getting the first date to the sales occurred, we will create another measure and we will write it as first sales date equals to first non-blank. And here the first argument, we will give it as calendar date, because from the date you have to take filter it. And the second expression, of course, there will be sales or total sales. And we will drag it here. We'll change the format to long date. And you can see it is 27 February 2022. That is the first sales date. So in this way, you can use the first non-blank. You can also use this to get the first product with respect to the sales amount, or you can use it in the higher version, like you can get the aggregation of getting the sales product name with respect to the sales amount from a particular region, where you can use the calculate function for that. So hope this was a valuable video. Have a nice day.